Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session, we have discussed the few concepts. Now in this session, we are going to discuss few more concepts. The very first concept is integers. Basic concept. Before knowing integers, let's revise the concept natural numbers and whole numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers. These are counting numbers. How do we count? From which number do we start counting? From 1 only. We start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like that. So, the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like this till infinite. So, how many natural numbers are there? Till infinite, there are so many natural numbers. That means undefined natural numbers are there. Okay. Natural numbers are denoted by n. That is equal to set of n equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till infinite. These are also called counting numbers. Counting numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like this till infinite. These are also undefined. The number of whole numbers undefined. We cannot count how many numbers are there. So here these whole numbers are denoted by W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. If I observe clearly, these 1, 2, 3, 4, these all numbers are natural numbers. Yes or no? Now, how can I define these whole numbers? 0 and natural numbers. 0 and natural numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, let's see. Now, let's talk about integers. Integers are nothing but positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. All these numbers are included in integers. Integers, that means if I take a number line like this is a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like that. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on like this. Okay. See here, these numbers are called natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These numbers are called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are called whole numbers. That means in integers, natural numbers are included and whole numbers are also included. That means natural numbers. This is whole numbers. This is integers are denoted by I. Integers are denoted by I. I is equal to set of. For example, if I take 0 here, 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on like this. These are integers. Here, from 1 to infinite, these numbers are called positive integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on this side, these are called negative integers. Sir, the question is, what is 0 here? Is it positive or is it negative? 0 is neither positive nor negative number. 0 is neither positive nor negative number. These are positive integers and these are negative integers. Okay, see, the very next point is, if I go from 0 to right side, the value is increased. That means this is increasing value. If I go from 0 to left side, the value will be decreased. Decreasing value. That means 0, from 0 to right side numbers are all are positive numbers, so that is the increasing value. 0 to left side values all are negative values, that is decreasing value. That means when we compare the integers, we get to know this concept. For example, comparison. Let's see the comparison. -2, 2. Comparison means already we have discussed. Comparison means we have to take two symbols, that is less than and greater than, and one more symbol, that is equal to. Whether these are equal or one is less and one is greater. So in that manner only we check. I put less than symbol here. -2 less than 2. That means -2 is a smaller number than +2. Okay, this is comparison. That means from 0 to right side, all positive values are greater than 0 and greater than all negative numbers. All positive values are greater than 0 and greater than all negative values. All negative values are less than 0 and all positive values. Okay, see, that means 0 is greater than -1, 0 is greater than -2, 0 is greater than -3. Here -2 is greater than -3, -3 is greater than -4, -4 is less than -3. The distance between the positive number and the same negative number will be equal from 0. That means from 0, distance from 0 to -3 and distance from 0 to +3 will be same. Okay. Next point is, in daily life, how do we use these integers? For example, I bought an article, that is cost price of that article is 500 rupees. And I sold this article SP 600 rupees. What did I get? SP is more than CP, therefore definitely I will get profit only. Profit is equal to how much? 100 rupees. The difference is 100, therefore profit is 100. So how do we represent in integers this profit? This is represented as +100. In the next case, let's take next case. CP equal to 500 rupees. I bought an article for 500 rupees. And I sold this article for 400 rupees. What do I get? SP is less than CP, therefore definitely I will get loss. Loss is equal to 100 rupees. That means this loss is represented in integers as minus 100. If I go up 100 meters above the sea level or 50 meters above the sea level, that is represented as plus 50. If I go depth 50 meters below the sea level, then that is represented as minus 50. Okay? Right. One more example I'll take. In a mathematics test, there are 100 questions. Okay? In these 100 questions, one student attempted 25 questions. Remaining all are left. Remaining all are left. In these 25 questions, 20 are correct and 5 are wrong. Each correct question carries 4 marks. That means, how do I represent this one? Each correct question I will get 4 marks plus 4, that is. For each wrong answer, I will lose minus 1 mark. That means that is represented in this manner. Then how many marks did the student get? 20 into 4, 80. This is plus 80. 5 into minus 1, this is minus 5. So sum of plus 80 and minus 5, that is plus 75 marks the student got out of into 4, that is 400. Out of 400 marks, he got only 75 marks. Okay, right. In this session, we have discussed the concept integers. In the next session, we are going to solve few questions based on this topic. Thank you for watching.